Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create blank database access 1 minute. Open Access. In the home window, click on New. You will see various templates. In this case, we will click on the option Blank Database. Here you can edit the name of the database if you wish. Click on Create. Thus you will have your empty database in Access. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.